Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Math with Mr. W. This morning, we're talking about rational and irrational numbers. Irrational. Irrational people? Rational people? Anyway, so it's kind of like that. But it's you'll catch on. Just hang on a second. So, rational. Let's talk about numbers that are just rational. So, any number that can be written as a fraction or the form P over Q, like this, P divided by Q, then you've got yourself a rational number. So, let's start with a whole number like 5. 5 can be written like this, 5 over 1. We got ourselves a rational number. And then we have also things like 3/5, which is 6/10. 6/10. And that's a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So that's great. And that's rational. It's easy to deal with. Nice person. Nice number. Then we have things like this. 1/3, which is 3/3300. But repeating 33333. So 333 thousandths, 3,333 10,000ths. It's just repeating. But we always know it's going to be a 3. So it's nice. It's rational. We know what it's going to be. Isn't that great? Those are rational numbers. We can always put them in the form of a fraction, and we are happy. Easy to deal with. Now there's things called irrational numbers. But there's a lot of them, not just a few. Gosh, there's a lot. The first one that jumps to mind is pi. 3.14159. Yada, 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 yada. It's going to keep on a going and a going and a going and a going. Yep. This number, it's decimal. Never repeats. It doesn't terminate. It's not nice. It's transcendental. It's just not a nice number. So, now, what other numbers are irrational? Well, we've talked about them before. Square roots. The square root of 2, which we approximate to be 1.414, but it goes out much further than that. And if you drop the number into the calculator, you'll see it run out for a lot of places. It never terminates or repeats. Okay? And the square root of 3. That approximates out as 1.732, but it's going to keep on going. And the square root of 4, well, that's 2. The square root of 5, 2.236. Square root of 6, 2.449. So these numbers are just not nice. They're irrational. You can't put them in the form of a fraction. You can't write them P over Q. They're just not nice. Their decimal doesn't terminate. It doesn't repeat. It just keeps on going without repeating and without terminating. So we have two kinds of numbers in mathematics, distinctly different numbers. Some are called rational and some are called irrational. And you'll be dealing with both of them. You folks have a great year. You have a great day. See you next time on Math with Mr. W.